Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. A few months ago I did a video on how to open a knob set with a key blank, and it didn't go down too well. Kind of went down like the Titanic. But anyway, I got a couple of emails back. One of them was from people who make Carbine, and they said, yep, thanks for that, we're fixing it. So I have the new knob set here, and just to quickly show you what we're talking about, here's an older model. Excuse me. Here's an older model, and this is a Carbine one, and here's another one that's basically identical, spec for spec, made by a slightly different, well, it's made by another manufacturer which I can't name. So I'm going to lock it. Okay, it's locked, and what we're using basically here is almost like a key blank. I like to call it a bypass key. I can show you that much. So I'm just going to put it into lock. Okay. That way you can see it's in the lock, and the lock knob is locked, and with a little bit of jiggle, the lock is unlocked. Now, we have the brand new one here. Let's just try the current other model to see if that works too, because from what I know about it, I believe it still actually does work on this model. Oop. I'm just putting it into the lock, won't be a moment. Okay, so you see there's no tricks, it's locked, knob doesn't move, and this one's taking a little bit longer, but it's unlocked. Alright, so Carbine have fixed it, which is really cool. Let's test it. Well, then let's pull it apart and see how they fixed it. Brand new model. All the rest. And what's really good about Carbine is every time you order from them, they give you a little bag of lollies. I mean, I've seen fully grown locksmiths argue and fight over those things. Unlocked, locked. Okay, putting key in, and let's go through it. So locked, okay, I think we've hit a snag. Okay, taking it out. Testing key. Keys work fine. Okay, so by all rights it looks like it is fixed. The other importer of this same type of lock was Easy Set, and their ones from the start didn't work, which was interesting. Okay, so let's get this knob off and see what's going on. There we have it. I can see it already. I can see exactly what they've done to combat this. Exactly what I was explaining to one of the manufacturers that it needed. They've basically just put a disc in the back. If I don't know if you can see it or not, I'll have to zoom right in. They put a disc in the back, and that's all that was needed. You know, just that little tiny modification. But I just wanted to say, you know, thumbs up to Carbine for doing that. If there was a problem with it, they straight away go out and get it fixed. So that's good. Puts confidence back in the product. Nothing's perfect ever from the start. So when things arise, you know, sometimes you got to do version 1 or version 2 and basically keep going until, you know, the product's exactly right. So now we have the knob set where the bypass key doesn't work. Okay, leave your comments down below, and thanks for watching.